Hi students, I'm your music teacher Nilesh. I hope you are all doing fine at home. Today I have some very important information about the musical notes. So I'm going to share today is the basic information of notes. How you can identify notes on guitar, how you can identify notes on keyboard or harmonium, and how you can correlate them. Means if you are going through the Indian classical method or Indian method to play the notes, or if you are playing them with the Western method, how you can correlate these two methods. So I'm going to share some very important information about the same. All right, so as you can see, at this moment we are looking at the Indian classical method. In this we have 7 notes that are also called the Shuddha notes or the natural notes. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. Then next 4 notes are Komal notes, or we can say the flat notes. Re, Ga, Dha, Ni. They are all underlined, means bar sign is there. Then there is one note which is Ma. It is also called the Tivra note or the sharp note. So this is the way we usually play the notes in Indian classical method, or we do identify. Then let us focus on the Western method. Now we are focusing on the Western method. Here you can see there are 7 notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 notes that are natural notes. A part of them there are 5 notes: C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. These are the 5 notes which are the sharp notes. Students, note that we are all revising the lessons we have learned already. Okay, you have already learned these things in previous tutorials. Now we are learning how we can correlate these two different methods altogether. Okay, so let us focus on that. Okay, as we all can see, there are some similarities in both the methods. Like here, the bass note is called sa, the very first note from which we start, singing or we start playing. So that is the bass note, it is the sa. And here in the Western method, the bass note is C. So there are total 7 natural notes in the Indian method as well and in the Western method as well. Okay, from Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni and C D E F G A B. There are total 7 notes in Indian method and Western method. Then there is one sharp note, as I've told you, the Tivra note, that is Ma in Indian method, and there are 5 sharp notes in Western method. There are C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. There are flat notes, total 4: Re, Ga, Dha, Ni, and there are total 5 flat notes. These flat notes are actually these sharp notes only, but in different form. Like we call the C sharp, and if we call it in flat notes, it would be called D flat. The same note would be called D flat in the Western method. Okay, so flat notes and sharp notes are all the same in Western method, but we'll write them differently. Now total there are 12 notes. Here also total there are 12 notes, because as I've already told you, flat notes and sharp notes are all the same. So 7 plus 5, total 12 notes only. Okay, it's just that we are writing them in a different way. So that is why they are called flat notes also, the sharp notes. Okay, and this is one very important information, that we can correlate these two notes. Like C, we can call it Sa; D, we can call it Re; E, we can call it Ga; F we can call it ma, G we can call it pa, A as dha, B as ni, and C means the high note, that would be sa, the high note. So means when we'll play these notes on any instrument, it would sound the same. Means this would give the sound of sa, this would give the sound of re, this would give the sound of ga, then ma, then pa, dha, ni, and sa. So I hope this information would uh, be very effective for you at this moment. Question for today is, what are the flat notes? Can you give me the answer of this question? What are the flat notes in Western method? If anyone have any information, just share it with me. This is for today. This is all for today, and I'll come up with some more information about the same topic in some next video. Till then, have a great day.